Loan officers are behind the times. I can't focus on the bank I'm working for. I got to focus on me.
I went through the worst market around and still made a killing doing it.
From 2013, closing maybe $1 million in purchase loans. Then in 14, it was 40 million. Then in 15, it was 99 million. Then in 16, it was 143 million.
I've always found the best people in the industry to learn my stuff from.
What do you do with the business when it comes to the door? How do you keep the business, and how do you make that business pay 10 years from now?
Purchases are always going to be around. You got to know how to capitalize on it, and we figure that out, and we're going to continue to do so.